Thinking of building a swimming pool in Uganda? One of the biggest decisions you'll make is this: concrete pool or liner pool. Let's break it down simply. At Pool Doctors Uganda Limited, we design and build both, so this is a practical comparison, not sales talk. Concrete pools are the most popular option in Uganda. They are strong, long-lasting, and fully customizable in shape and size. They work very well for permanent homes, hotels, and commercial properties. The trade-off is higher initial cost and longer construction time, but they offer durability and flexibility. Liner pools are faster to install and usually cost less up front. They have a smooth finish and are suitable for smaller or temporary setups. However, liners wear out over time and need replacement, especially in hot climates. In Uganda's climate and soil conditions, concrete pools are generally more durable long-term. Liner pools can work, but they require careful maintenance and planning. The right pool depends on your budget, location, and how you plan to use it. If you're unsure, talk to professionals before deciding. Call or WhatsApp Pool Doctors Uganda Limited on +256 752 665528 for guidance before you build.